Okay, well, let's have our last company. Let's go through the last company, that is Shenzhen Grandseed Technology Development Corporation. Welcome. Welcome. Hello.
Hello. Good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Yes.
My name is Casey from Lighting. So may I have your name, please?
Yes, this is Chloe from Grandseed.
Grandseed.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So your name, may I have your name?
Chloe.
Chloe. Okay,
Yes.
Chloe. Yes, welcome to participate in our on-shop event. Well, now we have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your products. So could you introduce your company first?
Yes, thanks to this opportunity, I have this chance to give a brief introduction about Grandseed company. So I will show a brief introduction about Grandseed. About Grandseed Group was established in 2002. During several years development, it has 3 branches till today. It's Shenzhen Grandseed, Anhui Grandseed, and Shenzhen Solar Robots. We are special in LED industry. Our products already have sent to more than 80 countries till today. About the Shenzhen Grandseed, is our headquarters here. We're aimed at flexible production lines, revolution, development, and sale. For example, we do LED bulb, tube, panel, downlights, street lights, assembly, packing, and testing. Anhui Grandseed is a manufacturer of SMT and DIP assembly lines, which including solderpaste printer, pick and place machine, reflow oven, wavesoldering machine, and related equipments. We have strong production base here. And then is solar robots. We have types robots can be selected, such as 4X, 6X, and even spring robots. We use this robot mainly to apply in our flexible production lines, as I just introduced about Shenzhen Grandseed. Today, our products have high reputation among our customers. Also, we have established some showroom in China, which help to our customers to visit and reference, such in Qingdao, Suzhou, Chengdu, and Tianjin. Meanwhile, we have strong after-service in abroad. During the past years, we have sent our engineer to many countries to do after-service, such installation and maintenance in our customers' factory. There are many factors to show this. And about our certifications. Here today, we have more than 100 certifications and software copyrights. Because we also do abroad, so CE and ROS are the basic certifications. And in order to meet our customers' production demands, you need to realize the flexible production and non-worker factory will have mass system to support. Still today, we are proud to say we have rich experience in our industry, such as LED industry, electric products, home appliance, and so on. Our customers from all over the world. This is my brief introduction about our Grandseed.
Okay. Thank you, Chloe. Yeah, we know a lot about your company. But can you show us about your product?
Yes, sure. I will show some videos to help us load our equipment process well.
So, Chloe, you are showing the video with
Yes.
us, right? Okay, so let's wait a moment and maybe you have to share your screen and then we can see the video.
Okay, please wait a moment.
Okay. Wow.
It's okay?
Yeah, we can see. Yeah, very well.
Okay,
Very good.
This is our main products. We all normally we call it assemblyline. Just as I showed just now, is it including solderpaste printer, reflowsoldering, and wavesoldering and related equipments. This is another printer with logo on the board. And then it's solderpaste, solderpaste. High optics chemical. Inspection machine. This is an place machine. The big chips from feeder, then place the chips on board. Normally, if our customers' production scale not so big, we will not suggest to use this chicken place machine. This video shows us a lot of big production. Just aware, transport. And then the another machine store the board together, stimulate. Inspection when the whole board finished. The flow oven. It's where it is between the board. can see there are many machines here because this line is a high specification line. The message just now I have introduced about it. Lift it with our lines.
Well, yeah, very impressive. It's high-tech machine. Yes, very vivid introduction.
Yes, thanks. Then I will show another technology equipment.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it also the video? Is it
Yes.
also
Yes.
the video?
Yes.
Okay.
You can see it. This is a wave soldering machine. Normally, if our components on the board have long necks, it couldn't do as the assembly machine, so we use VIP machine to do it. This machine have 4 systems. The first system just now is flat screen system. Then after this system, it enter to preheating. Then is welding system. The last is polling system. Maybe we can see this type board normal.
Yeah, it's the real production. Use your
Yes. And this movie from our customer's factory.
Oh,
Yes.
it's impressive. Yes, very very impressive.
Yes, we have many videos such like this.
Okay.
Yes, this is products introduction. We made it ourselves. This is our machine. You can see it work automatic. Transport automatically too. Can be controlled by computer. Welding system. This control system.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So that is the video you share with us. So any other else would you like to show us?
Maybe next time we can show from our factory directly.
Okay. So
Yes.
here I have a few questions. Which to ask you. So which country is the main market of your product?
At present, because of the virus, we sell to nation market many, but before the virus come, we sell to many countries such as Asia, Europe, and South Africa, and so on.
Yeah. that is so all over the world, and that you must have many certification of the product,
Yes.
like UL, ETL, and CE, for example.
In our industry, we mainly do CE and ROS.
Okay. Have you tried the e-commerce shopping channel like Amazon, Alibaba? Do you have show there?
Yes, we use Alibaba and Google.
And
Also, we can use like Facebook and Instagram to make advertisement here.
Oh, okay. How about the effect?
Sorry.
How about the effect of this channel?
I think Google is more better.
Google is more better.
Yes.
Okay. Can we know about your NOQ and the lead time?
Normally we're online. If I receive the message, we can reply on time.
But how about the NOQ, minimum order quotation, and the lead time, that it's delivery cycle? How about that?
You mean delivery time?
Yeah, delivery cycle, that is lead time.
Sorry, I can't understand you well. Please.
Yes. I want to know the NOQ. How about NOQ?
NOQ?
Yes. Minimum order quotation.
Normally we set this machine as 4 nights.
As 4 nights.
Yes, maybe 3 Cs or 4 Cs. If they just buy a conveyor, our company will not do because it's so small.
Well, yeah, okay. Do you have any other thing want to share with us or next time?
Yes, I wanted to show an introduction movie to us because it's Spanish language can help most foreign brands to know as well.
Okay, let's take a look.
городах, как Шанхай, Чжоу, Чэнду, Цинда.
I see many logos behind you. Is it
Yes, behind me is our customers on the wall.
Oh, there's many customers.
Yes, many customers and famous customers.
El desarrollo de la inteligencia y automatización industrial está marcando el comienzo de una nueva era de productividad e innovación. En Grandseed hemos visto las múltiples oportunidades que estas nuevas tecnologías pueden brindar a fabricantes de todo tipo de productos. El Internet industrial y la industria 4.0 son cada vez más populares en China. En Grandseed queremos convertirnos en uno de los proveedores de líneas de producción más importantes de la industria electrónica de China. Fundamos Grandseed en el año 2002. Nuestra sede se ubica cerca del Aeropuerto Internacional de Shenzhen, Bao'an. Esto facilita y economiza el transporte. Nos especializamos en la investigación, desarrollo, producción y gestión de una amplia gama de equipos electrónicos de montaje, como robots industriales, líneas de producción de LED inteligentes y máquinas SMT. Contamos con múltiples filiales, entre las cuales Shenzhen Grandseed Technology, Anhui Grandseed Automation y Shenzhen Songjian Robot. Hemos establecido sucursales en Shanghai, Suzhou, Chengdu, Qingdao y otras ciudades para facilitar el envío. Hasta ahora hemos conseguido centenares de patentes por la invención y mejora de diferentes tecnologías. El señor Wen Hu, fundador de Grandseed, ha trabajado como ingeniero técnico en esta industria desde hace muchos años. Además, es el presidente del comité de SMT de Shenzhen y miembro de la base de datos de expertos en la ciudad de Shenzhen. Actualmente contamos con una base de clientes muy sólida. Hemos exportado nuestros productos a más de 30 países. En Grandseed damos mucha importancia al servicio postventa, ya que es la base para cooperar con empresas a largo plazo. Contamos con unas instalaciones equipadas con maquinaria de producción vanguardista. Taller de chapa metálica Grandseed. Taller de acabado. Estos equipos nos permiten garantizar una producción de alta precisión. Los utilizamos para desarrollar una gran variedad de productos innovadores. Este es nuestro equipo de investigación y desarrollo de robots industriales. Llevamos a cabo el proceso de montaje de robots en un taller libre de polvo, donde mantenemos una temperatura y humedad constantes. Nuestro equipo de técnicos experimentados lleva a cabo los procesos de producción de forma eficiente. Además, fabricamos la carcasa del sistema robótico con moldes de producción propia. Este equipo de profesionales se encarga de diseñar una amplia gama de líneas de producción inteligentes automatizadas. Personalizamos las líneas de producción inteligentes para cumplir con los requisitos de empresas productoras de televisores, lavadoras y maquinaria de soldadura eléctrica. Este complejo de producción se divide en múltiples áreas para completar las operaciones. Una vez completado el montaje, sometemos los productos a diferentes pruebas para garantizar su calidad. Además de los robots de montaje utilizados para la fabricación de ordenadores, dispositivos de comunicaciones y electrónica de consumo, también disponemos de sistemas robóticos para procesos de molienda, pulido y pintura. La impresora automática Grandseed es uno de nuestros productos patentados. En Grandseed fabricamos una gran variedad de equipos SMT. Entre ellos, el sistema de montaje superficial GSD TP12, que ha sido diseñado para la instalación de LEDs. La línea de soldadura por ola controlada por ordenador destaca por su alto nivel de automatización. Viene con una función de memoria que hace que los datos guardados sean totalmente accesibles y ofrece al mismo tiempo una solución perfecta para la gestión de la producción. Nuestra línea de soldadura por refusión incorpora elementos calefactores de níquel-cromo de bajo consumo y alta eficiencia. También está equipada con un reflector curvado que proporciona una alta eficiencia térmica y un aumento rápido de temperatura. Además, hemos diseñado este producto con un motor de alta temperatura. La línea de pruebas de envejecimiento inteligente se utiliza exclusivamente para el testeo de bombillas. El sistema de PLC y la pantalla de visualización proporcionan un alto rendimiento de los equipos. Este equipo somete las bombillas a pruebas destructivas y de envejecimiento para garantizar el estricto cumplimiento de las normas de calidad de la industria. Después, las clasifica y descarga de forma automatizada. En Grandseed disponemos de una amplia gama de líneas de montaje inteligentes, líneas de montaje generales y líneas de pruebas de envejecimiento para la industria LED. Si estás buscando líneas de producción inteligentes, económicas y de alto rendimiento, Grandseed es la solución.
Yeah, that is the. Oh,
Yes.
okay. So, which language is the video showing?
It's Spanish.
Spanish.
Yes.
That is from your customer. The video is made
we
by
made
your
we
customer?
made it for our customers.
Oh, okay, for the Spanish customer.
Yes, Spanish.
Yeah, very vivid. Very vivid video. And
Yes,
yes.
thanks.
Okay. Any else? Will you wish to show with us?
I think next time when we have opportunity, we can show again.
Okay. Do again. Okay. Now, you we have the we see your introduction. It's very wonderful. Now today we come to an end here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if anyone see the video interested in the product and the company, please leave your contact information on the comment area. Then we will reply you, or Chloe will reply you directly. Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
Chloe.
thanks.
Thank you for
Thanks.
introduction.
Yes.
Thank you. See you next time.
Yes, see you.